Hi everyone. So you should be able to make reasonable graphs using Google Sheets by first making a column for independent variables. Um, Please note then when I input these numbers, they're just numbers. There are no units written there. If there are going to be units, they should be up in the title for that variable. Similarly here, you might have the dependent variable on the right side of the independent variable. In this case, today's lab density will be on the right side. And please note the units are again in the top left. We only have numbers here. Google Sheets can't deal with numbers with units next to them. So then what you can do is highlight all of that and then click Insert, Chart, and then it may automatically make a XY scatter plot for you. But you can also select that. So now you can see that we have this graph here where the dependent variable is on the y-axis, in this case density, and then the independent variable is on the x-axis. So you may want to go ahead and click Customize and go to Series, and you will want to do this, make a trend line showing the general relationship between the dependent variable and the independent variable by showing a line that's roughly in the middle of all of those data points. So you can get kind of a better look at where these dots are by clicking, I guess, Customize again and going to Grid Lines. Now you can ask for minor grid lines on this vertical axis, and then also go to horizontal axis and ask for minor grid lines. So you just see all these little lines popping up here. Now you might be wondering, like, what is the dependent variable value if you had an independent variable of 40? All right, so you could say, well, where would that dot be if this were 40? So it's basically right there on the line. So it would be like, 5.5 or so dependent variable. Okay. So let's say though that you wanted to extend this. Let's say you wanted to see something out here. Then you could go to horizontal axis, and right now the minimum and maximum values right here are set so that all of your data points are shown. But what if you wanted to see something that's not shown? You could change the maximum value. Maybe we'll set it to like 130. So now we can see this would go all the way out to 130. Oh, but maybe I want to know what's up here. So I need to change the vertical axis as well. So go there and set a maximum value of, I don't know, how about 19. All right, so let's say we wanted to know what the dependent variable value was if we had an independent variable of 100. So this would be like 14 or so. All right, so that is making videos.